Hello everyone, this is the demo of SkinLens application. Both unauthenticated and authenticated users can take a test, and based on their authentication, there are few routes that are protected and few that are not. And there is two different roles. One is for patient and one is for dermatologist. Now, without logging in, let's take a look at the home page. On the top, there is a navigation bar with the skin lens written on the top left corner. That is, when you click on it, it takes you to the home page, and we have a upload button. When you click on it, it takes you to an upload image page, and when you click on records, it asks you to log in to access this feature. And when you click on info, it shows it gives a comprehensive list of all the diseases that are identified by SkinLens. That is, SkinLens can identify a range of skin conditions. It's around 21 diseases can be identified by SkinLens with an accuracy of more than 80%. A few of the most common diseases that are recognized are acne, uh, eczema, melanoma, and you can see the list goes on. So when a guest user or an authenticated user visits the website, just to get an info on what type of diseases are identified by the skin list, they can just click on the info page and take a look at all the diseases that are identified by the skin lens. Now click on skin lens icon, it takes you to an home page, and on the home page you can see right at the center, there is Take Your Skin Test Now. SkinLens uses AI to analyze skin conditions, detect issues, and provide personalized recommendations. And then you have a Start Your Test button. It takes you same as you click on Upload button. It takes you to Upload Image page, and click on Start Your Test. It takes you to the same Upload Image page button. Now, at the bottom of the page, you see how it works. The first step is upload image. Take a clear photo of your skin concern and securely upload it. And then second is AI analysis. Our advanced deep learning model analyze the image uploaded by the patient and identify potential skin condition. And third is to get a result. Now, as a guest user, let's take a test. Now, click on the upload button, it takes you to an upload your skin image page, and on the right side of the page you see instructions on how to upload an image. The first is ensure the image is clear and well lit, focus on specific skin area you want to analyze, and the most important is the file formats accepted, that is JPEG and PNG. Now, once at the left side of the screen, you see select an image button. A user can drag or drop or click on select image and select an image from their local system to upload an image. Let's click on select image button. Let's select a format that is not supported, that is a GIF extension format. Yeah, it gives an error. Unsupported file format. Please upload a JPEG or PNG image. Now let's upload a valid format. So let's select this image. And once the user selects an image, a preview of the image is displayed right here. And so that user can know that they uploaded the right image, and click on upload image. Yep, and as you click on upload image, there's a success message that image is uploaded successfully. And for a guest user to maintain their privacy, what SkinLens does is after 5 minutes, it deletes the image for a guest user. It deletes the image from our database. And as soon as we click on upload image, we get a predict diagnosis button here. And the instructions are on the right are hidden to, uh, to make user to make UI more convenient to the users. And then click on predict diagnosis. Yes, and clicking on uh, clicking on predicted diagnosis gives us a prediction result card with the predicted disease acne as displayed here. And on the right side, it tells you log in to view detailed diagnosis description and treatment recommendations. And there is a retake test button on the bottom of the prediction card. And when the user clicks on retake test, it directs you to the upload image page. Now, let's sign up. Now, when by clicking on the sign up button in the top navigation bar, it redirects you to a sign up page, and it asks few basic questions like a name. Let's create a new demo patient account first, and email as. And here's a drop down menu to select whether a user wants to be a patient or is a dermatologist. Click on patient and click on sign up. Now, clicking on sign up redirects you to the home page, and as you can see, we have entered name demo patient, and it is visible on the top right corner in the navigation bar. Click on log out. It logs out with a success message. Let's log in. By clicking on login, it takes you to a login page. You can just log in by entering email ID and password. And all the errors and success messages are handled gracefully so that user can know what mistake they are making. Logs in successfully and redirects you to a home page. Now, is this for a guest user, you don't see a chat option available here, and when click on records button, it tells you to log in. But for a authenticated user, when you click on records, all the records, previous records are displayed on my records dashboard. So for this authenticated user, it's let's upload an image and let's take a test. Similarly, a preview is displayed here, and you can click on upload image, and image uploaded successfully and ready for production success message is displayed. And for guest users, the images are deleted after a certain period of time, but for the authenticated users, images are stored securely in the database. And after uploading the image, you see a predict diagnosis button on the bottom. Click on predict diagnosis, and all the instructions and the preview are hidden, and you see a prediction result card with a preview of the image and the predicted disease, that is uh, disease predicted corresponding to this image is allergic contact dermatitis, and below it it is a retake test button. And on the on the right corner of the page, for guest users, you saw that log in to view description and treatment recommendations. But for authenticated user, our app displays description as well as treatment recommendations on the right side. Now, description corresponding to this image is an itchy red rash caused by skin contact with allergens like metals, cosmetics, or plants. Blisters and swelling may occur. Skin becomes dry and cracked over time. And it also suggests treatment recommendations, that is, identify and avoid the allergen, apply topical corticosteroids and use emollients to soothe the skin. As well as you can see a view report button is visible below the treatment recommendations. Now, patients can click on view report and a model is displayed. So this report consists of patient details like patient name, email ID, and the case number, skin 81, so that patient can search their records in the history by the case number and the date and the timestamp, the preview of the uploaded image, and the AI analysis result. That is, it suggests AI and suggests characteristics consistent with allergic contact dermatitis, and the description is visible here and treatment recommendations are visible here, and an option to print the report is also available. You can click on the print button and using windows.print method, it gives you a printed report. You can save it and have a hard copy as well. And on the right corner of this model, you can see a cross button. Click on it to close it. And let's take 3 to 4 more tests for the same patient so that we can view their record history. Click on retake test. It takes back to upload image page option. Select an image. Let's select another disease. A preview is visible. Image is uploaded successfully, ready for prediction. Click on predict diagnosis button. And similarly, it gives you a prediction result that is corresponding disease melanoma, and a description and recommended treatment recommendations on the right. And you can click on view report. Report is visible. Click. Let's take a test again. Click on select image. Let's select another image. Click on upload image. Predict diagnosis. Yep, this is corresponding to the image predicted by the AI model is folliculitis, and similarly, description and treatment recommendations are available on the right side. Let's take another test. Click on select image. Click on upload image button. Click on predict diagnosis. And the result predicted is actinic keratosis and Bowen's disease. Now we have taken few tests as this demo patient user. Now to view past records, you can click on records button on the navigation bar, and it takes you to my records dashboard, which has all the past cases initiated by this particular user. And you're on the it's displayed in a tabular format. On in the first column you see case ID, that is, it's in a format of skin and an incremental number, that is skin 81, 82, 83, 84, and the date and timestamp, and the diagnosis predicted by the model, and the status as pending review, and actions. In the actions you can view the report. Now, the status is pending review here. It means that none of the dermatologists has viewed the report yet. As well as you have a pagination feature here. That is, you can click on previous and next, and if the number of cases by a particular users are more, then it is displayed in a good format. And the records can be sorted by date, and they can be by reviewed. There are no cases that are reviewed yet. All of the cases are pending review, so we don't see any of the records here. Open, there are no open cases. There are 4 pending review cases. Now sort by date, right now it's in ascending order. You click on it, it changes to descending order. No, for this, let's log out. Now let's create a dermatologist account for this particular demo. Let's sign up. Demo and select role as dermatologist, and clicking on sign up, it redirects you to a demo dermatologist dashboard. And you can see here, hello demo dermatologist, and on the navigation bar, dermatologists don't see an upload image page, but they still can see info, reports, and chat. Now, uh, reports, this is a dermatologist dashboard which contains all the cases generated by all of the patients. And it's displayed in a tabular format, that is skin number, skin and incremental number, and patient name with their email ID, with date, with the diagnosis corresponding to it, and the status and actions. In actions, you have two buttons, that is view report and take action. Click on view report. This is for the demo patient we just created at the last. So let's take a action. Click on take action. Now clicking on take action opens a model here, and it says dermatologist review on the top, and case details are visible here. That is the diagnosis predicted by the model, description, treatment recommendations, and at the bottom you can see add comment. Enter your professional diagnosis placeholder. So let's write correctly diagnosed, and click on submit review, and the review is submitted, and automatically the status changes to reviewed. And click on view report. Now after clicking on the view report, after dermatologist updates the puts a comment, you can see in the report a dermatologist review section is added with the comment and reviewed on, as well as reviewed by, that is the dermatologist name. Because in SkinLens there is also an option for patients and dermatologists to chat in real time. That's why it is important for a patient to know which dermatologist reviewed their report, so that they can initiate a chat with that particular dermatologist. Click on close button. Now this dermatologist dashboard contains cases generated by all of the previous users. So we can see there is a pagination feature here, that is page 1 of 14, and 2 buttons, previous and next. Click on next, it takes page 2, page 3, page 4, and clicking on previous, you can get back to previous pages. Now we can sort out by patient name. Now let's select patient name here, and I have already created a user by name MDZ. Let's, and you can see all the cases generated by MDZ are visible here. Now you can also, let's search for our demo patient as, yeah, we can a demo, and we can see all the cases generated by our demo patient. You can also sort them out by patient email. Let's sort them out by You see, as you can notice, all the cases generated by zaidaftar313@gmail.com is visible here with the statuses and all the options. And as well as a dermatologist can know which particular diagnosis is on the trend, or basically what is the common diagnosis that the patients are facing at one particular time, and they can filter out the results by diagnosis. Let's click on acne. Yep, you see all the patients that has acne are visible here. And also you can search by case ID. Now when a person in a uh, chat mentions to the dermatologist that their particular cases is, for example, skin 81, that's the case we generated by demo patient account, and dermatologist can quickly search it and go through it and give recommendations or any additional comments or answer the questions in the chat with the patient. Now click on SkinLens icon. It takes back you to the dermatologist dashboard. Now let's take an action and let's write one more comment. Click on submit review and the status changes to reviewed. Now let's log out and log in back as our demo patient. Now you can click on record button to view all the past records, and you can see the status, the two status are changed to reviewed for skin 83 and 84 that we just reviewed as a demo dermatologist. Now you can see the sorting options that reviewed. Yes, then all the status patient can know which of their cases are open or which of the cases are closed, that is which is pending review and which of the cases are already reviewed. And for reviewed, if they click on view report, they can see the dermatologist review section added here. It's added in a different color so that the focus is on the dermatologist review. It stands out basically. And you can sort it by date, you see, and pending reviews, as well as the pagination feature is here. Now let's click on chat. Now when a patient clicks on a chat button in the navigation bar, it takes the patient to chat with dermatologist button, chat with dermatologist page, and a list of all the dermatologists available on the platform is visible. And for example, now in the records, it this particular case, that is skin 83, is reviewed. Patient can click on view report and they can see it is reviewed by demo dermatologist. Now if they have any further questions, they can click on chat and they can see this particular dermatologist viewed their case. So they can click on chat to initiate a chat with demo dermatologist, and clicking on chat button, it takes you to a simple chat UI where you can write in text or upload an image or send an emoji. To we added even emoji picker because it makes conversation more and more interactive, and patient and dermatologist can have a conversation freely. Let's send a message. Yep, I sent a message hi, and a timestamp is visible with a single tick. That means it is sent but not yet delivered. Let's send an image as well. Let's send this image. A preview is also visible. You can send, and let's send an emoji. And let's say, let's text, please review. Click on send. Now we have sent 4 messages to demo dermatologist. Let's let's log in. The website is responsive as well. As you can see, the hamburger icon and everything is works smoothly. Let's log in as demo dermatologist, and you can see the password as well. Click on login. It directs you to a dermatologist dashboard, and they can click on chat. When dermatologist clicks on a chat, they can see a list of all the patients that are available, so that even dermatologists, if they have any special concern related to the case, that is, if for some particular case an urgent care is needed, they can immediately contact the patient and let them know. So let's see where demo patient is. You see, the patient we created for this particular demo is visible here, and you can see notification in the right corner of this card, that you can see four messages. You can click on chat. Yeah, click on chat. You can see the messages sent by the demo patient, and you can see the ticks changed to 2 ticks and the color changed to blue. That is, it means delivered as well as read by the user. Now, patient, the name of the patient, the name of the patient is visible here, and the name of dermatologist is viewed here, so that the patient and dermatologist both can know that they are in contact with the right individual. Now, patients and them both can have a chat in real time. Let's see a few examples. Rashes, click send, and you see a real in real time. It's updated here. Let's similarly send a message from patient dashboard. Yep, in real time it's updated. And this is a dermatologist dashboard, and if they this is a patient dashboard which was they were having a conversation with dermatologist, and to get, if suppose they are not satisfied with this particular dermatologist and they want to they want to have a conversation with another dermatologist, they can just click on the arrow here and get back. It takes you back to chat with dermatologist button, and can initiate chat with any other dermatologist. Now we the patient ended the session with demo dermatologist, but when they click on chat button again, they still can view their history, as it is very necessary feature. Because for example, patient had a conversation with the dermatologist, and after a week or few they had to refer back to what the dermatologist recommended, or what were his or her suggestions. They can uh, they can log in again, and they can visit the chat dashboard and view the history of the messages. And as well as this is info, click on SkinLens and takes you back to the start your test button. Thank you.